mean, we haven't died yet, but we're getting close.
Guys, there's a lot of cops near me.
Microphone
Lot of
activated.
I'm on the way. Or I'm
They're
coming
like
that direction.
near office. They're like near off. They're like near office.
He just driving on the MSR.
Hunter in front of me.
The side windows on the Hunters suck, dude. You can shoot right through them with the M14. Rip.
Rip and pepperoni.
Rip and paprika.
Oh, you got deputy. Don't they have to spawn in different city?
Nope.
Yo, Hunter right in
They
front of me.
changed it?
Oh, I got tased. I got tased. Go on
Yo,
my location.
what is it?
Hunter. Guys, Hunter. I'm on
You
location.
didn't-
I got tased.
We're coming, dude. It's not my fault you didn't stay with us.
GPD on me. Three cops. One
Okay,
side
dude.
office.
We got it. Getting set up in a window. I should be able to pick them off if my spot.
They put me inside. Alright. 2 cops. Gunner has a pistol. He's out of ammo, he said. Heading to watching the front of office. This is a GPD right here. This restrained me. Has me escorted.
Pub, a hospital. Or church, sorry.
Right in office. 3 cops.
David told me to turn myself in because I was restrained.
Two puppies. And
David's
one
not an
GPD.
admin, so.
In honor.
So just don't listen to him.
We'll ask an admin. One pub down.
Will you invite me?
Why do they
He's
keep
escorting me to the
rev-
police station, guys. He's escorting me to the police station. Oh, they're putting me in honor. Shoot out the tires.
Dude. Trying to.
Shoot me, I will ban you.
No, shoot him.
I
Oh,
killed Becky.
Somebody
Like
locked
the
Try
phone.
me.
it again.
Pa-
I swear to
Pager.
God, I'll ban you.
we're doing a terror threat, dude.
Wait,
I don't give a
Pager's,
shit. You hit me, motherfucker.
wait, can I just kill Deathy again?
Microphone activated.
I don't know, Pager's like shitting himself.
Shoot Death you. He's inside. He was inside office.
Yeah, I know, he's
RDM
right
anyway.
there, but Pager just revived him.
Well, shoot him.
I'm not gonna shoot Pager.
Not Pager, Death
Microphone
you.
muted. Microphone activated.
I have a sight on you.
On me?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, there's a cop in the doorway below you. Next to you.